Happy Tech Tip Tuesday, everybody. Today is going to be a little bit different of a Tech Tip Tuesday. Unfortunately, last week we had some devastating fires here in Southern California, which you may or may not have seen on the news. Behind me are actually the FEMA trucks right here at a local community center where the support and outreach has been incredibly strong. I just want to take a moment to give my condolences and heartfelt empathy and compassion to everybody who's been affected by this fire. Truly, truly devastating. My mind still has not wrapped around everything that has happened out here. That being said, I want to offer myself, the doctor here, and my Hoskins equipment team to help you or your team in any way possible. If you needed a boom lift or a forklift for any of the debris clearing and the rebuilding of this process. I believe the Californians need to help support Californians, and we'll come together in this community. So if you are a local business owner in California and could use assistance of equipment to get your project done, whatever that may be, please give me or my team a call. We would gladly help out. Again, my thoughts and feelings and prayers really go out to everybody out here. It's just crazy, first time experience for me, and to deal with this, such a disaster on a high level. And that being said, though, so much love and outpouring and reach has been received. Great to see. And just let me know how I could help you and your team and get through this together in a Southern California strong way. Thank you so much. Have an amazing rest of your day, and blessings to all.